Officially presented by IWA Outdoor Classics and our partners, Beretta, Steiner, VFG Weapon Care, and the lead-free hunting bullets by RWS.
Hey guys, it's me Moritz from LowRatingMagazine.com, Europe's first community magazine for a healthy and modern gun culture. I'm here at IWA 2024 together with Oliver, one of my, longtime teachers in the firearm industry. Oliver, how you doing, man?
I'm doing very good. It's a pleasure to see you again here at our booth at IWA.
We were talking earlier off camera, since we're launching a community magazine for young modern shooters, you are also an instructor, a very famous instructor in Germany actually, but now even across Europe. So I figured you as an instructor, you have the gist of building the future of modern shooters sometimes on your shoulders. Is that true to say, or is that?
I don't feel it as a burden. It's just if you do this for like a decade or longer, then of course you see changes in peoples and things, and of course I see a lot of different younger people coming to my classes, and they have different takes on things, and it's very interesting. It's inspiring, and make sure that the old guys don't get stuck in a place, but keep on moving, and I find it very inspiring.
I find it very inspiring that you're saying that, because there's a lot more that unifies us than what sets us apart.
Absolutely.
And I feel like you guys have a big responsibility. But we're at the IWA 2024. You're here at the booth and you brought some cool shit. So let's just dive right into it.
Okay.
Wait, let's skip the dog because he seems to be having a hard time. All right, now he's good. So
yeah, check this out. So you know the Arisaka Rail system that you can use to basically mount a bipod underneath the forend of a rifle, and that allows you to slide the bipod in any place that you want to have it.
Yeah,
so now
let me jump in. I know this, but I can't use it because I have wrist and Picatinny. So, and you need a dedicated thing for this, and that's why I don't use it.
Yeah, but that's why Arisaka Defense brought up the rail slider. So you see there's a standard Picatinny rail down here, and you unscrew here, and then if you turn this around,
yeah, show it to the camera.
You can see it. You just press this button, and you can easily slide your bipod along the rail. So you've got a lot of along the way. You want to arrest it, you just close the knob, and it's solid again. And the good thing is they also sell the Picatinny rails.
I was going to say that.
Yeah. They have like 5 different lengths attaching to any M-lock rail that you have. So you can choose whatever. This is the longest one. It covers 8 slots.
It's one piece actually.
It's
right?
one piece.
Yes.
It's absolutely one piece.
Because I haven't seen Picatinny rails now in the modern world where everyone has pretty much no rails on his handgun whatsoever.
That's true.
Where do you get such long rails from, right?
Actually, exactly for this purpose. And the good thing is the Arisaka Defense Rail Slider has the ARMS 17S footprint, so you can also attach it to bags and other accessories that you like to slide on your forend. And you still have the Picatinny rail, and let's say you shoot an IPSC match, and in one stage you need a bipod, in the next one you don't need it. You just take it off.
That's easy.
Just use the gun as is, or attach a vertical foregrip or a hand stop, whatever you choose to use, or barricade stop, whatever you want. So it's.
We were talking off camera because I can show. Can I hold it for a second?
Absolutely.
So this is basically this unlock mechanism. All right, is here connected to this button, right?
Exactly.
So in my first question, you can demonstrate it actually as I try to explain it. This is a very tactile button. It's easy. It's easy to push because you want to have quick adjustments, right?
Right.
So for all those people who are now wondering, hey, dude, but what about robust management? What if I'm like on a stage? What if I grip it too hard? What if I push it too hard? Then actually there is a feature that prevents this from happening.
That's the locking mechanism on the other side.
Yes.
Yeah. So basically, only needs like a half or a quarter turn to loosen it, and you'll be able to slide it. Yeah.
But if you lock it all the way,
if you lock, I mean, see how rigid it already is.
That's
so
true.
for a lot of stages in IPSC, it's probably good enough. Maybe for a PRS match, it's not sturdy enough. But all I got to do now is just turn the knob, and it's absolutely 100% robust.
And it even, correct me if I'm wrong, disables the button on the other side that would actually make it slide. Show it.
No more sliding. So if you look around, so now it doesn't slide anymore.
Okay, for those people who are hooked right now, where can they get it?
In our shop at huntac.de.
Okay.
It's on sale already. We got ample stock, so.
So guys, now you heard it, at huntac.de, which actually, you guys are German-based, but you deliver all over Europe.
All over Europe.
So there you have it, cool shit. You can get it at huntac.de. Others, thank you very much for your time. My voice is pretty much given up now, so I have to go away. Thank you.
I appreciate your support. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Guys, before I leave, remember, we are building up not a brand, not a face, but a movement for the modern day shooter. Someone responsible, passionately, ready to invest time and money, of course, into the next generation of shooters. You can be part of it. Go to loadreadymagazine.com, read the article on how you can be part of the community. Guys, I'm counting on you. Take care. My voice leaving. Moritz out.